Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. How are you all today? Today's lesson is 12.5 Adding and Subtracting Rational Expressions. Today's objectives add and subtract to add and subtract rational expressions with like denominators. And tomorrow's objective to add and subtract rational expressions with unlike denominators. Let's start. These questions in order to see if you are ready to start this lesson. Here, add and simplify your answer. These are, as you can see, fractions 1, 2, 3, 4, addition, and 5, 6, 7, 8 subtraction for these fractions. Now, I want you to solve it. As you can see, the answers are already there, here, in front of each question. I put the answers just to be sure that your answer is correct. Only as a quick revision, we will do this. For example, the first one, if we have two common denominators, what we will do to add the fractions, and what we will do if we don't have a common denominator. Let's start now to solve. Solve this, please. And let's see. Now, adding and subtracting rational expressions is similar to adding and subtracting fractions. To add or subtract rational expressions with like denominators, if the denominators are the same, add or subtract the enumerators. These are the numerators, these are the denominators, and use the same denominator. What that mean is, look here, if we want to add 1 over 5 plus 3 over 5, then we will put in the answer the denominator as it is. This is what we used to do. And we will add the numerators only. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. And if we want to subtract, it is the same if we have the same denominators. Look here, 7, 7. So in the answer, we put also 7. We don't add and we don't subtract the denominators. We only add or subtract the numerators. Now to subtract the numerators, we will subtract 6 minus 4 equal to 2, or 6 plus negative 4 equal to 2. This was an introduction. Okay, let's start the first example. Now add, simplify your answer. If we want to add these two rational expressions, the first one, m squared plus 2m over m plus 4 plus 3m plus 4 over m plus 4. As you can see, the denominators are the same, so we have to write it in one denominator, m plus 4. We will write the denominator once. The answer will contain the denominator as it is, m plus 4. Now what we will do with the numerators, we will add the numerators, m squared plus 2m plus 3m plus 4. Look here, the common, here we have to combine the like terms in the numerator. Look, m squared, we don't have any like term with m squared, so we will write it as it is, m squared. While here, 2m and 3m are like terms. We can add them to get 5m. The 4 is the constant. We don't have any like term with the m, so we will write it again as it is. Now, we got this answer. This is a fraction, m squared plus 5m plus 4 divided by m plus 4. Be careful, we can't cut the m with the m, because here in the numerator we have addition, and also we can't cut it here because we have addition in both denominator and numerator. What we can do in order to simplify this fraction, what we will do is, as you can see, this numerator is a quadratic expression, so we will factorize it. Do you remember the factorization? We will open two parentheses. M squared will be factored as m and m times m. Then we will search for two numbers If we multiply them, we get 4. If we add them, we get 5. Obviously, the two numbers are positive 1 and positive 4. Positive 1 and positive 4. So we'll put it like this. Now, we will see, do we have now any common thing or expression in the numerator and between the numerator and the denominator? Yes, there is. Look, m plus 4 here after we factorized. Here m plus 4, and there we have m plus 4 in the denominator. So simply we can cut them together. Be careful, we don't cut the m with the m, the 4 with the 4. No, we cut the whole algebraic expression. Now, what is left here? Only m plus 1 is still there, and we don't have anything else. This is the last simplest answer. Another example to understand it more. Look, this one, add, simplify your answer. Look here, 3y squared over y plus 1 plus 3y over y plus 1. The denominators are the same, so we write one fraction and we write the denominator as it is. Again, we don't add the denominators, we write it as it is. Y plus 1, y plus 1, so the answer will be also y plus 1 in the denominator. What we will do with the numerator? We will add them if we can. 3y squared plus 3y, we will write it 3y squared plus 3y. Can we add? No, we can't, because those are not like terms. Here is y squared and here we have y. We can't add y squared with y, the coefficients of y squared and y, so we don't add. Okay, how to simplify now? How to simplify? We have to factorize, if we can, the numerator by any one of the methods that we took before in factorization. Here, 3y squared and 3y, we have, as you can see, common factors between them. We have the 3 is common, and we have y is also common. So we will put the least common factor outside, which is the 3y. 3y, we put it out and we open parentheses. What is if we put 3y outside? Then from here only we still have y. If we put this 3y outside, then here we have 1, because this 3y times 1. If we put the 3y out, then 1 is left. So what is the answer of the numerator now after we factorized it by the least common factor? It is 3y times y plus 1. Of course, as you can see, we have y plus 1 up in the numerator and y plus 1 down in the denominator. So we can cut them to get only 3y in the answer, and this is the last simplest answer. Okay, let's move to the subtraction. To subtract rational expressions with like denominators, again with like denominators, today with like denominators. Remember to add the opposite of each term in the second numerator. What do we mean by this is the following. We will take this example. Have a look at this example. Subtract, simplify your answer. Look here, 6y minus 6 divided by y squared plus 4y minus 12 minus y plus 4 over y squared plus 4y minus 12. The two denominators are the same. So we write a big fraction here and we write the denominator as it is, y squared plus 4y minus 12. We don't add, we don't subtract the denominators. Okay, now we have to subtract now the numerators. 6y minus 6 minus y plus 4. 6y minus 6 minus, be careful that you have to put it in between parentheses, because this minus is for all. If you did not put the parentheses, then the minus will be only for the y, which is not correct, which is incorrect. So we must put the parentheses in subtraction. In addition, no problem. But in subtraction, yes, you have to put parentheses in the before here, this numerator, which is after the subtraction, we have to put parentheses over there. Now, We will subtract now the like terms. Now 6y minus y, which is inside here, look, the minus is for both of them as we said. So it is 6y minus 6 minus y minus 4, like this. 6y minus 6 minus y minus 4, divided by same denominator. Now add the like terms, 6y, or subtract 6y minus y, 5y, and negative 6 minus 4, it is negative 10. Now in this stage we have to simplify the fraction that we got. Here the numerator, can we factorize the numerator? Yes, we can. Can we factorize the denominator? Yes, we can. So we'll factorize it both. 5y minus 10, we have a common factor here, which is 5. So we will put 5 outside, and inside we still have y minus what? The 10 is 5 times 2. So if we put 5 out, the 2 is still there here. Okay, so 5 out, y minus 2. In the denominator, we will open two parentheses also. Y squared, y in the first parenthesis, y in the second parenthesis. Now negative 12, give me two numbers. If we multiply them, we get negative 12. If we add them, we get 4. The two numbers are positive 6 and negative 2. If you multiply positive 6 and negative 2, you'll get negative 12. And if you add positive 6 and negative 2, you will get positive 4. So this is correct. As you can see, we have a common factor between the numerator and the denominator, which is y minus 2. As we said, we can't cut the terms which is inside the parenthesis. We can cut the whole parenthesis together. So cut here and there to get only in the numerator 5 and in the denominator y plus 6, and this is the last simplest answer. That's all for today. Please listen carefully to the video and concentrate, and good luck. Thank you so much. Bye.